Jangur Damar. I
Hyderabad.
am currently studying in Galgotias College, BTech Engineering, first year.
Oh, great. Where are you from before coming here?
Because higher studies, I am belongs from a local village, and my perception is to become a great developer in the field of coding, and also why that's why I'm here.
Wow. You want to be a developer in
Sorry,
what department you do? What department is that?
computer science engineering.
Computer science engineering.
Yes,
Is this one of the best college of computer science engineering in India?
I am not say that it is the best, but yeah, it's a higher than many colleges nearby ours.
Okay. So in the rate of 1 to 10, how many can you rate it?
9.
9. Wow. So do you think after this you'll get a placement?
Yeah, sure. I'm sure that I'm get placed by this college.
Okay.
There are so many companies visited here,
Okay.
and if a student is able to take a placement, so that's sure. There is no fault of college if a student not placed by here.
So how many companies are you envisioning?
In last 4 years, there are 2,700 companies visited here,
Okay.
and more than 45,000 students placed.
Great.
All over all branches in BTech and MBA and all BCA also.
So which company do you want them to pick?
Maybe in Google or Amazon.
Google, Amazon.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So I will ask you simple questions.
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you ready
ready.
to answer?
I'm
Great.
ready.
Do you think your parents are proud of you right now?
Yeah, sure. My parents will proud of me in the past also, and in future I will make them also.
Great. Wow. Why do you think they are proud of you?
Because I hear all the things they told to me, and I will do myself also great things in which I do better. Then I will.
Great. Wow. So what degree do you think is the most useless degree in your opinion?
Mm, in my opinion, BBA.
BBA.
There are so many my friends in age who are bigger than me. They told I have not placed by doing BBA.
BBA. Okay. So okay, which means if I understand you very clearly, those who do BBA here, the
Sorry?
companies don't look for them.
Companies look for.
Those who have BBA,
Mhm.
the companies when they come to look for employment.
I'm not sure,
employment-
but I'm telling you according to my friends.
According to your
Because I am not done BBA, so but according to my friends, I will say I am not sure. Here is my big brother, belong to Kaveri hostel. The hostel is very great. All facilities like gym, laundry, and the behavior. Then the behavior is like home. Provide us good foods and all.
You stay,
Best hotel.
you
I
stay in
am
this
stay with
hotel?
the.
Hostel?
Yes.
What are the rumors that you've heard in this hostel that are not true or that are likely to be true?
I like it. It is very good, and the brother support us in all the manners.
Okay.
From home to internships, he brother provides us internships also, and I lived from last 2 years with them.
Okay.
The,
But you say you are in your first year.
sorry,
You said you are in your first year or second year now.
I don't understand what you
Are
say.
you still in your first year or in your second year?
I am fresh, but I am fresher, but I prepared for JE for entrance exam for becoming a college. So when I am preparing for JE, I will stay with brother.
Oh, okay, great. Nice. So, what is the biggest lie you told your parents about college?
About college.
Yes.
No, because my parents also visited with me when I am entering in this college, so there is no lie I am telling my parents.
Okay.
नहीं है कोई.
So, you never told any lie about it? Are you sure?
Yeah, I am sure.
Okay. We know people always need money, so you never lie them about money. What is the hardest secret you've never told anyone in college?
Today is my first day in my college, so there
Oh,
is.
today is your first day?
Yes.
First-
So, first day.
First day?
Yes,
Oh. So there's no secret.
there is no secret.
Okay, what is the hardest secret you never told anyone that you know?
Mm, Majorly, it's bunks where I am going with my friends from my local hometown to other areas with bike, and never told to them like 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers away from my family, and told parents that I am stay in my relatives, but I am not there.
Okay.
Majorly, these are the secrets.
That is the secret.
These are majorly. My parents does
Major
not
secret.
know about them.
Okay. And who do you think in your family is will always stand by you, even if you fail or anything happen? They will always support you. Who?
My big brother. I have two brothers. They and also my father. All are supportive. Either I am fail or pass.
Okay.
Yes.
What makes you think they really support you so much?
I failed in my JEE exam. I already told you that by acquiring a good marks in JEE, there are a lot of colleges in India which named as IITs or NITs.
Okay.
So by passing the exam of JEE, we got IIT or NIT. But I failed as JEE. So my parents support me. You failed in JEE, no worry. Go to the college, study, and make us proud. So that's why I told you that my fathers and my brothers are supportive.
Great. Okay, that is cool. Now in life, if you fail in life,
I'm good.
they will still support you.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you very much. What's your good
Thank
name
you.
again?
Ankur Tomar. Ankur Tomar. Yes.
Thank you very much. It was a great interview having you. Thank you. So you will see us.
Also visit